So I would like to tell you the opinion of mine. If we talk about technology, of course, they have bad side and good side. If we use it in the right way, we can take the advantage and the useful of technology. But if we use it with regardless, but without any responsibility, it may be harmful. No, I will tell you one of the bad side of technology. I think the bad side of technology is we become a lazy thinker. Because let's take an example. We solve the problem of math. In our smartphone, it provided so many tools that can help us easily to solve it. And then in other ways, we could be a lazy movement. Because, for example, we want to order something. In order to get that, we do not have to go outside to get that. We just can use our smartphone to order that with our finger, and the food will be delivered to us. And then if in the bad and good side, we can take all of the information from the platform that provided in technology. For example, we can take so many information from Google, and then another platform like YouTube, and another else. That's it.
Salim.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.